Oh, hey there. I'm just looking for some information on personal finance. I found some here.
Oh, look, there's some more here.
Ah, look at that, some more here. But I can't seem to find all this information in one single place. Trying to piece all this knowledge together is going to be pretty difficult. And should I really be having to do this on my own? It almost seems like personal finance education is something that should have been taught by some kind of institution in place in society that would provide a well-rounded education to set people up with practical skills for the real world. But I don't know any institution like that.
Doesn't it seem strange that countless individuals are completely in the dark about something that we spend almost half our entire lives working for? It's almost as if society doesn't want us to understand money. And so I realized that if I wanted to learn anything about personal finance, that I was going to have to do it myself.
I proceeded to lock myself into a small cubby that made Harry Potter's broom closet look like a penthouse and study relentlessly for years and years. And once I emerged with my knowledge and a potent smell that stung the nostrils, I stood by a window looking pensive and thoughtful and said, "Who am I to release this to the world?" But then I remembered what a wise man once said in 2015.
Do it!
I don't know.
Just do it!
I know it's my dream, but...
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
All right, I'll do it.
As you may know, this is the first video on my channel, so I wanted to let you know what you can come to expect here. Essentially, I want to bring personal finance education to everyone in a way that it has not been presented before. But what exactly is personal finance? Well, it's kind of a umbrella term that encompasses many different components of managing one's money. But what actually is money?
I don't actually need this, it's very sunny out. Alright, so I just went and got these delicious Montreal style bagels, and all I had to do to trade for them was tap a piece of plastic against a machine. How did money get to this point? And how can the way we think about money impact our relationship with it? All these questions and more will be answered here on this channel. Sorry, I'm just reading here that apparently about half the North American population has virtually no savings. This is a huge problem because saving money is the gateway to all the other avenues of personal finance. You can't pay down debt or invest for your future if you can't even save money in the first place. Why is it so hard to save money in our society? And what can we do to improve our ability to save it? Some people are actually under the impression that saving money is impossible.
Nothing is impossible!
Sorry, I kind of forgot he was still here. And what about another financial problem that seems to be plaguing the world? Massive debt. Our most expensive possessions, like our homes or vehicles, are most often not really our possessions after all.
Mortgages and car loans fly off the shelves at rock bottom interest rates, and we take them on whether we can handle them or not. Education? Don't even get me started. Why is debt so ingrained in our society? Is it a terrible, evil, profit-driven thing? Or is there actually a useful aspect to it? This and more will be explained if you tune in here for more videos. And last but not least, I plan to completely open the floodgates on a normally obscure topic: investing. If the thought of investing completely terrifies you, don't worry, you have nothing to fear. Here, take my hand. I'll take you from a complete zero and turn you into a hero. The power of compound interest that we can harness through the power of investing has the power to turn anybody into a millionaire. Yes, you heard me. You can have financial independence. But listen, this is not going to happen overnight, and I'm not going to sell you anything that's going to make you rich. I'm not going to teach you how to day trade or any other foolish endeavor that's so hot with the kids right now. Instead, we're going to get rich the old-fashioned way. Nice and slow with a simple, low-cost strategy that just takes some patience and discipline to succeed at. So, if this all sounds like some topics that you're interested in learning about, I'd like to officially welcome you to Cash College, a free and accessible platform for learning everything you need to know about personal finance. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below to know when a new video is released, and please let me know in the comments what types of topics that you guys want to see covered. And if you want to help support this project, all I would ask from you in return is to just hit the like button if a video ever provides you value. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon.